Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to trade leverage paper trading on account on Tradingview. So guys, what you have to do, open your Tradingview and click on paper trading and click connect, as you can see here. And what you have to do guys, and go to your here, as you can see here, go to sell, for example guys, and you can choose the shares and unit, and you can take a profit here guys, as you can see here on the paper trading account. And you can stop loss, write your stop loss here, and you can write your price you want to stop loss, and you can take profit here. And this is how you can do guys to trade leverage on paper trading account. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, down below and comment here, and I will answer your question.